Welcome to Feel Healthy, where ancient remedies meet modern science to help you get beautiful, strong, and healthy hair naturally. Are you struggling with hair fall and thinning hair? What if I told you just one drop of this natural tonic could stop hair fall instantly and boost hair growth 3x faster, without any chemicals? This powerful homemade remedy has already helped thousands to regrow thick, shiny hair, and today, I'll show you exactly how to make it. The problem: why your hair keeps falling. Most people lose hair because of weak roots, scalp buildup, poor blood flow, and stress. Chemical shampoos only hide the problem, but nature offers ingredients that heal your scalp from within and restart your hair's growth cycle naturally. The secret tonic recipe. DIY Lavender Miracle Hair Tonic. Let's make the tonic that gave massive hair growth from just one drop. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon dried lavender leaves, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, methi dana, 4 to 5 cloves, long, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 1 small piece ginger. Boiling phase. Pour 1 cup of water into a pan and add all the above ingredients. Boil on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes until the water slightly reduces. This extracts all the powerful nutrients from the herbs. Turn off the flame and let it cool completely. After boiling step, tonic base. You can say something like, once your lavender, fenugreek, and clove tonic cools down completely, now it's time to supercharge it with a few powerful ingredients that speed up hair growth instantly. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, hydrates the scalp and boosts new hair growth. 1 teaspoon castor oil, adds natural thickness and shine. 1 vitamin E capsule, deeply nourishes the scalp and repairs damage. 5 drops lavender essential oil, added at the end to preserve its natural fragrance and healing power. Mix everything well and pour it into a spray bottle or comb applicator bottle. How to use. How to apply for 3x growth. Apply just 1 drop per scalp section using your comb bottle. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes to increase blood circulation. Leave it on for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. You can even add the leftover tonic to your shampoo for extra nourishment. Use this tonic 3 times a week, and in just 2 weeks, you'll notice visible results: less hair fall, stronger roots, and thicker, shinier hair. Why it works: the science behind the magic. Lavender calms the scalp, promotes new follicle growth, and reduces stress-related hair loss. Fenugreek strengthens roots, stops breakage, and promotes keratin production. Cloves and ginger boost blood circulation and reawaken weak follicles. Curry leaves add shine, prevent premature graying, and support new growth. Aloe vera, castor oil, and vitamin E seal moisture, nourish hair, and make it soft, silky, and full. Together, these ingredients work in harmony to regrow hair from the roots, giving 3x faster, thicker, and stronger hair growth naturally. Nature has the answer. Apply this tonic regularly, and your hair will thank you. Say goodbye to expensive serums, and hello to natural, chemical-free growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair care remedies and DIY secrets that truly work. Thank you for watching.